What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So helping out my boy. He'd be washing his car for like 7 months. And he was concerned about his paint and everything. It looked like hazy and nasty looking. But there you go. He tried my products and I helped him out. And he's doing 70% of the work. I teach him a little bit. But yeah, that's how it looks. It looks great now. I actually like the car even more now. Before it was like, what a hoopty. But he's working on it. So he's waxing the top right now. So
yo, I'm so happy. 7
and
months,
then
bro. That's crazy.
7 months restoration does take time. But yeah, we're gonna do his wheels. His dip is like 4 years. 4 years old. Look at that. It looks so trashy. So I ordered him a dip dissolver. So once that's gone, so we'll see what you guys let me know what color he should put on there, like dip it and glossify it. Let me know what color would look good on that. And tomorrow we're gonna put, next thing we're gonna do is dip that or either put Nightshade on it to make it better, like glossy and smooth. And same thing with the door handles, we gotta find something. But I'm helping him out with tinting the tail lights right now. Only 2 coatings are done, two light coatings. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks once all the coatings are done. And definitely tell him to get a resonator and a muffler delete, so it's gonna look even nicer. Or sound good too. And then he just got these tints yesterday. What percentage are these?
That's 5.
That's 5?
Yeah.
Holy shit. What's this, 5?
That's 5 too.
Holy shit, what is this?
This is 20 because the guy made a mistake.
A little bit.
He made a mistake. I told him give me 5 all around, and then he gave me 20.
No, he was scared himself, even though it's not his car. He got scared.
And then he kept justifying it, saying that, oh, you can't see it in the rain. I'm like,
yeah.
all right.
But yeah, guys, so definitely I'll get back to you once I do a few more coatings on the tail lights for sure. Alright, so right back at you. It's done. This is how dark you wanted it, so he got it that way. It's a bit dark outside, as you can see. So yeah, and it's not fully cured yet, so it's a bit blurry, not fully. It's not glossed yet, so maybe in an hour it should be glossed up. But yeah, go ahead, man, turn on the lights, see how it looks. Yeah, it's perfect. It's nice. It looks awesome.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Try the brakes.
Yeah, try the brakes. We put like 5 coatings on this. Yeah, it's perfect. Yep, you're good, man. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hit and like. Hit the subscribe button. Like and share the channel. Thanks for watching again. Later.